Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Hi, I'm John Holden, and welcome to Earth. We're starting off our show here in Baltimore Harbor. You know, a lot of history has happened here. This is where Francis Scott Key wrote the Star-Spangled Banner as he was anchored in a boat off this very harbor, watching Fort McHenry bombarded by the British in the War of 1812. And today it's all about keeping waters like this clean, with eco-minded companies that are located here doing their part to keep history alive and our waters clean with sustainability efforts that are making a big difference, as you're about to see. In today's fast-paced world, part of the day's rush includes eating fast food and takeout meals. That kind of dining, packaged in plastic, contributes to our throwaway lifestyles.
Plastics has been a practical solution for that challenge. The issue is with the plastic comes single-use debris, discards, trash, litter.
Packaging waste accounts for about a third of American household trash, and more than half of that consists of single-use disposable food and beverage packages. Because of that, responsible plastic manufacturers and distributors today are beginning to make products that degrade much more quickly and can be more easily recycled.
Sustainability is at the forefront now. People used to ask price. Now the first question is always, what can you do from a compostable standpoint, from a green standpoint? I'll be honest with you, it's really taken off now. People want a green product. They want to take care of Mother Earth.
Leonard Paper Company, a family-owned fourth-generation business, is a wholesale supplier of food service disposables in the greater Baltimore, Washington, D.C. area. They supply a full range of disposable and biodegradable products to service area restaurants, healthcare facilities, and schools. After over 80 years in business, they say sustainability is now a key concern for their customers.
All industries are affected, and restaurants, caterers, hospitals, food containers, as well as soup containers, straws, napkins, bags, everything is affected by the compostability and the move towards making things greener and safer for our customers.
In fact, Leonard Paper's Baltimore warehouse stores thousands of such disposable products for regional distribution. And the energy to do this comes from the sun above, all under a full roof solar array of over 1,700 solar panels to provide Leonard Paper with clean energy.
At the end of the day, it makes us feel good because we're creating energy. We're not taking from the grid, we're adding to the grid. And that makes me feel great.
Now, most of Leonard Paper's compostable and recyclable products are supplied by AmerCareRoyal, a single-stream global resource for more than 6,000 disposable products used in the restaurant, food service, and other industries. That includes its very special PrimeWare line of eco-friendly biodegradable products made from all-natural sugarcane, corn, and bamboo fiber, and manufactured at one of its global facilities.
Products that are going to degrade or compost or can be recycled. And that's where AmerCareRoyal's PrimeWare line comes in. And what we've done there is make these products out of bagasse, which is the leftover fiber from sugarcane processing, but then make them much more eco-friendly in how they break down over time, and they're not the plastics that last forever and ever.
Our goal here is to reduce our footprint of disposables ending up in the waterways, and because of that, our compostable products, they compost in 60 days or less in the appropriate facilities, and we feel that this lessens the impact of what we do here on the earth, and we feel it's very important.
Well, AmerCareRoyal has the goal of sustainability along with Leonard Paper, and they created a product that fits the need for our customers.
And Leonard Paper, in turn, supplies large restaurant chains with PrimeWare disposable items produced by AmerCareRoyal. Businesses like Miss Shirley's Cafe, it's a landmark restaurant in Baltimore. They put in this takeout window during the COVID pandemic to keep their business alive and well. Thank you very much. This looks delicious. So they could still serve their signature dishes on compostable cups and plates. Dishes like these delicious looking shrimp, grits, and griddle pancakes.
Compostable, single-use containers are extremely important. As a guest, when, we want to tell our guests that we care about the environment and we want to keep our planet clean and green, and, we want to, raise awareness for the protection of our environment.
More and more companies are realizing that people like you and me appreciate sustainable solutions that avoid waste in everything we do, eat, and drink, that keep our environment clean for ourselves and this good earth.